In this video, we will show you how to add Bitmoji to Google Slides. Bitmoji is related to a picture with full expression, so it's very interactive if you can add a Bitmoji into your Google Slides. How to add Bitmoji to Google Slides? First, you need to open Chrome Web Store. Just open Chrome Web Store and then type Bitmoji in here. In here, you will see the Bitmoji by bitmoji.com. Just click this and click Add to Chrome and add extension. Okay. In here, you need to log in using Snapchat account or Bitmoji account. If you don't have the both of account of Bitmoji or Snapchat, you can create new one. Just opening bitmoji.com in here. Okay. After that, we can click go to my account, and in here we can click sign up. Let's create a new one. Click sign up and accept. Click never in here. In here, let's see using this. And skin tone, we can using this, for example. Click save. Then in here, we can using fashion, for example, like this, and click save. And this is our account. And in here, just reload our Google Slides. And then, for example, let's try to creating a Bitmoji. We can click get started. Let's log in again using our account. Reload the Google Slides again. And click Bitmoji in here. And in here, we can find any Bitmoji using this search field. For example, I add this. Right click and choose copy image. Okay. Copy image. And we can paste in here. Okay, you can see there. This is interactive. Okay, we can add another. For example, let's creating another. Let's try to using cooking, for example, in here. We can copy image and paste in here. And it's cool. That's all tutorial how we can add Bitmoji to Google Slides. And hope this video helpful for you.